My name is Seána Brady and I'm here on my family farm in Mullahorn in County Cavan. There are 140,000 farming families in Ireland who are so important to the rural economy and the agri-food sector. This week marks the 9th annual Farm Safety Week. Accidents are a continuing cause of concern on farms. Up to 50% of workplace fatalities take place on a farm. Over the past 10 years, there have been 21 fatalities on farms on average each year.
With it being Farm Safety Week, it is vital that we educate on how to reduce farm accidents and increase farm safety awareness. At this busy time of the year on our farms, with the silage and harvest in full swing, make sure to pay special attention to the old people and children on our farms who may not be as quick thinking or as agile as you. Animals can be a danger on farms also, with 19% of farm fatalities since 2011 being due to livestock. To reduce this, farmers can use adequate gates, adequate wire and fencing, and a cautious approach when dealing with livestock and animals. And lastly, machinery. Machinery can also be a safety hazard on farms, be it tractors, trailers, and especially at this time when the harvest is starting. Make sure that your machinery is safe and that you're safe using it. Farm safety matters. Farm safety saves lives.